Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to top 10 selling portable air conditioning of all time. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your opinions are highly valued. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner, the ultimate cooling solution for your home or office. Combining an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan, this 3-in-1 unit provides superior cooling for rooms up to 450 SQ. For it with a powerful 6,000 BTU as ACC-CEC or 10,000 BTU ASHRAE 128 cooling capacity, it effectively chills your space in minutes. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with auto water evaporation, eliminating the need for frequent draining. The convenient remote control allows you to adjust settings from anywhere in the room, while the easy window installation makes setup a breeze. Whether you need respite from the summer heat or want to create a comfortable working environment, the BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner is the perfect solution. Technical specifications: cooling capacity, 6,000 BTU is ACC-CEC, 10,000 BTU ASHRAE 128. Room size, up to 450 SQ. Fort, dehumidifier capacity, 65 pints per day, refrigerant R32, power 1,400 watts, dimensions 14x 12.3x 17.5 inches, weight 65 pounds.
Introducing the Frigidaire 5000 BTU window-mounted room air conditioner for ultimate comfort. Maintain your desired room temperature effortlessly with precise temperature control. Capture dust without hassle with the washable filter, ensuring optimal performance. Space-wise adjustable side panels provide a perfect fit in windows. Power cord length, extra long for convenience. Effortless restart. Resumes previous settings upon power restoration. Stay cool and relaxed with a Frigidaire window-mounted room air conditioner. Featuring controller type, button control, airflow efficiency, 136 CFM core material, aluminum alloy. Plug type, LCDI 515 power refrigerant type, R32 note. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. International compatibility requires an adapter or converter. Introducing the Renogy 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. This 4-in-1 AC is a cooling powerhouse, perfect for hot summers and spaces with poor ventilation. With its Wi-Fi app control, you can adjust settings from anywhere, and intelligent timers let you automate operations. In cooling mode, it cools rooms up to 300 SQ. For it also has sleep mode for quiet nights, fan mode for air circulation, and dehumidifier mode that removes up to 46 pints of humidity per day. It's easy to move and maintain, with 4 casters, 2 side handles, and a washable filter. Installation is a breeze with the included accessories, and its memory function stores your settings for convenience. Experience ultimate cooling comfort with Renogy portable air conditioners.
Unveiling the award-winning Whynter ARC14S portable air conditioner, boasting a powerful 14,000 BTU cooling capacity. This unit can effortlessly cool large spaces up to 500 square feet. Its dual hose operation and patented auto-drain function ensure efficient and convenient cooling. With 3 modes, cool, dehumidify, fan, and full thermostatic control, you'll always experience the perfect level of comfort. Enjoy energy savings with the eco-friendly R32 refrigerant. Installation is a breeze with the included storage bag, window kit, and adjustable exhaust hose. Its sleek platinum black design complements any decor. Upgrade your home today with the Whynter ARC14S, where comfort and style effortlessly combine.
Introducing the Midea 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner, the ultimate solution for a comfortable and refreshing home environment. With a powerful 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, ASHRAE, and a smart control system, this portable AC effortlessly cools spaces up to 375 SQ. Enjoy an LED display and remote control for easy operation, and connect to your smartphone via the Smart Home app for control on the go. Switch between cooling, dehumidification, and heating modes. Heat mode efficient for up to 325 SQ. To maintain optimal comfort all year round. Installation is a breeze with the included exhaust hose and window kit, and multi-season functionality ensures year-round comfort. Experience clean and fresh air with the washable air filter and filter cleaning indicator. Adjust cooling based on your distance from the unit with the proximity sensing feature, and enjoy quiet operation that won't disturb your peace. Get the Midea 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner today and revolutionize your indoor comfort. Presenting the award-winning Whynter ARC12230WN portable air conditioner. With an impressive 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, this powerful device quickly cools spaces up to 600 square feet. Its advanced inverter technology delivers 20% more cooling while saving 40% on energy consumption. Control your AC remotely through WiFi using the Nethome Plus app, or voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Its innovative hose and hose setup ensures optimal cooling performance, featuring a patented auto-drain function and dehumidifying capacity of 87 pints per day. This unit keeps your space cool and dry. Its convenient dual exhaust design prevents heat leakage. Stay comfortable with its full thermostatic control, multiple modes, and whisper-quiet operation. The easy-to-install window kit and portable design make it the perfect cooling solution for any room.
Whynter ARC122DS Elite Portable Air Conditioner. The ultimate cooling solution, introducing the award-winning Whynter ARC122Ds, a 12,000 BTU, 7,000 BTU SACC, portable air conditioner that combines power, efficiency, and convenience like never before. Unrivaled cooling capacity, cools up to 400 square feet with its exceptional cooling capacity, ensuring maximum comfort even on the hottest days. Multifunctional design, functions as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan, providing customizable climate control for your space. Advanced self-evaporation eliminates the need for manual drainage, ensuring hassle-free operation. Energy-saving efficiency utilizes R32 refrigerant for reduced environmental impact and lower energy consumption. Easy installation and portability. Extendable exhaust hose up to 59 inches and caster wheels allow for flexible placement and effortless movement. With its award-winning performance, advanced features, and sleek design, the Whynter ARC122Ds is the perfect choice for those seeking maximum cooling and comfort. Experience the difference today and transform your space into an oasis of freshness and tranquility. Beat the heat with the Dreo Evaporative Air Cooler. This 40 powerhouse features 80 oscillation, spreading cool air up to 22 feet. Sec. Its powerful 60 HC motor circulates up to 13,000 cubic feet of air per hour, providing instant cooling. The cooling pad humidifies air, creating a comfortable environment. Control it with the remote or timer for up to 7 hours of cooling bliss. With its quiet operation, you can sleep or work undisturbed. Easy maintenance includes removable parts for cleaning. Stay cool and hydrated with the Dreo Evaporative Air Cooler. Introducing the Arctic Air Chill Zone Evaporative Cooler. This powerful yet compact cooler features hydro-chill technology that transforms hot air into cool, refreshing air instantly. With 4 adjustable fan speeds, you can customize your cooling experience to perfection. Plus, its whisper-quiet operation won't disrupt your sleep or work. The 8-hour water tank keeps you cool for hours, and the auto-off timer and 7 LED lights provide added convenience. Designed to be space-saving and lightweight, you can easily move this cooler around your home to beat the heat wherever you go. Upgrade your summer experience with the Arctic Air Chill Zone Evaporative Cooler. Introducing the LG 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, the ultimate solution for your cooling needs. This powerful unit offers exceptional cooling coverage of up to 450 square feet, making it perfect for medium to large rooms. Its versatile 3-in-1 function allows for cooling, fan circulation, and dehumidifying. Enjoy the convenience of remote control with the LG ThinQ app, compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. The LED display and 24-hour timer provide precise temperature control. The eco-friendly R32 refrigerant ensures both performance and environmental protection. Cleaning and storage are a breeze thanks to the easy-to-remove filter and included installation kit. Upgrade your comfort today with the LG 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner and experience optimal cooling and convenience.